How to remove someone from your Netflix account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is head over to Netflix, and once you open up the Netflix, you can then click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you click on that, you can click on the account option, and once you are there on the page, what you can do is scroll down until you find the security and privacy option. Once you have found security and privacy, you can click on sign out of all devices, or you can click on manage access and devices. If you want to sign someone out individually, so for example, if I click on manage access and devices, what that will do is it will bring me over to this page, and it will show you all of the people that are currently watching or having or have watched your Netflix account. And then what I can do, if I want to sign someone over here, is now simply click on the sign up button right there, and then it will sign that person out, or as I said before, you can click on sign out of all devices. So it's just as simple to sign someone out of your Netflix account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.